In this video, I will walk you through a detailed review of the Resilia odorless aged garlic extract soft gels, comparing this premium formulation to standard garlic supplements you might find on the pharmacy shelf. When you look at the landscape of garlic herbal supplements, there is a major trade-off between potency and the lingering odor that often follows. Resilia addresses this head-on with a matured extract processed specifically to be odorless, making it a much more approachable option for daily use compared to raw garlic or lower-grade powders. The standout contrast in this comparison is the sophisticated ingredients list. While most garlic pills stop at a single herb, this #1 bestseller is a complex blend featuring 600 milligrams of aged garlic extract per serving. What really sets it apart is the addition of GoQ10 ubiquinol and vitamin K2 as MK7. This combination suggests a shift from simple immune support to a more comprehensive approach to digestive and cardiovascular wellness. You are getting 60 soft gels per pack, and the manufacturer focuses on a consistent, high-quality botanical profile through a maturation process that ensures you do not deal with the typical garlic aftertaste. In terms of value, you can choose between single, double, or triple packs, with prices for the multi-packs reaching up to $70. While it sits at a higher price point than basic alternatives, the high rating from over 1,000 customers indicates that many find the unique blend and odorless delivery well worth the investment for their health routine. Thanks for watching, and let me know in the comments if you prefer aged garlic over raw extract. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more supplement reviews.